All right, so it looks like we've been on that Vossen wave lately, but 305 sent over something new. Believe it or not, I haven't even seen these wheels, so this is gonna be a little bit of a reaction video more than just an unboxing. So let's unbox that wheel. So here we have it. This is a 22 by 10.5 Vossen HF8. These wheels are relatively new. They just came out about 12 months ago. We ordered this set for an S63 Mercedes, and we had them ordered up in the brushed center with the PVD chrome on the windows, the black barrel, and with the XL cap. This is the way these wheels come. They're only offered with the XL cap. So as many of you know, the XL style floating cap has been the trend over the past couple years. Believe it or not, we were actually one of the first people to request to have the Rolls-Royce center cap retrofitted into a wheel. This was many years ago. This was almost 15 years ago. And it's crazy to see that nowadays, like, this is what the wheel trends have become. For those of you not familiar, you could swap out this Vossen cap. You could put in Land Rover, Rolls-Royce, BMW, Audi, doesn't matter. We have tons of options in stock, always available. So this is one of the most premium finishes that I've seen offered in a cast or a flow form finish. It's a very beautiful finish. I'll be honest, you could have fooled me. I would have thought this was a forged wheel, but luckily Vossen is always trying to innovate and make such beautiful wheel designs available to the general public that cannot necessarily get into a forged wheel, but flow form is more up their alley. So shout out to Vossen for always being that next step ahead, and stay tuned for the next upcoming wheels.